I need tissue?
Oh, no, I'm all right, but thank you.
Okay. Okay, yeah, no, dude, it sounds like you need tissue.
Yeah, I think I'm okay, but thanks for looking out for me.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Sorry, this show is just such a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Take the tissue.
I'm okay.
Why?
I don't think I need it.
How do you not need it?
Well, if I sneezed, I would need it, but at the current moment, I don't.
Dude, use a tissue box, you're fine.
Corner of it hit me in the eye.
Huh. Seems like you could use a tissue.
Oh, no, I'm okay, but thank you.